Welcome back to the Mobile Blaster and our wet versus dry cabinet comparison series. Today we'll cover what steps are required once you have blasted your parts in both a wet and a dry blast cabinet. One of the advantages of a wet system is that you can blast clean wet, greasy, and oily parts. Like the old saying goes, parts with moisture are like herpes to a dry cabinet. Once you stick a wet part in, it'll never be the same. That said, if you intend to blast wet or oily parts in a dry system, you will need to clean and dry them first. But what about post-blast processing? First, we'll talk about dry blast cabinets. Once you finish blasting your parts, you can quickly blow off your parts inside the cabinet with an air knife. This normally only takes a couple seconds. Oftentimes, the blaster will just remove their parts after they finish the cycle. Now, with a wet blast cabinet, from our experience, we require a few steps once you finish your blast cycle. First, use internal water hose to rinse the part, and once that's complete, we will remove the part from the cabinet and thoroughly rinse it to ensure the wet, sticky abrasive is clean from all crevices and holes. This is a very important step, and you must ensure your hands are also clean of abrasive. And then lastly, we do an air blow off of the parts and follow up with the dry wipe. If the parts are not fully dry, you can cause flash rusting or staining. Be sure to check back as we have 8 more episodes coming soon.
Keep it on the low, and the community is getting bigger, watch it grow. The mobile blasters taking over, we gon' let you know. It's a one-stop shop.